Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Candy coming at you off grid for peace. I just wanted to see, for those who are inspired by my growing, as I'm inspired by myself, I just want to give you a little update on my method of growing. I know it's totally not conventional and the same as what other people, gardeners and farmers may use. This is my first true year of growing my own food for sustainable living. But I do have different watermelons. I want to show you the progression of them. This one obviously is going to be a different species. I can't even remember which ones I actually planted because, hey, food is food to me. And as you can see, there's a baby one there. And another one that doesn't look like it's going to make it. And that is due to either overwatering, underwatering, blah, blah, blah. I'm still learning myself. Then this one didn't make it. So I'm just going to let it stay on the vine. But then you could see in here, I'm sorry, wait a minute. There's a nice size one there. I can move the leaves and let you see. See, that is a nice one. I'm proud of myself. The other one, my very first one, is doing really well. Turn the what's with the candle thing? My bad, y'all. The camera. That's another one. That was actually the first one that's coming. So that's it on the watermelons. As I stated, I have different varieties. The one I just showed you last is the yellow meat. This one, I believe, is the regular red meat watermelon. And this one that I showed you, I'm not really sure what that one would be because I had so many different things and I just got kind of tired, overwhelmed. So I was just planting whatever. Then we're going to move over to the cantaloupe. My cantaloupe is doing really well. As you can see, I have a cantaloupe going there. I have a bigger one right here. Really nice. Thank you, Jesus. He's the provider of my food and my ranch. Here's a little baby one trying to come out. There's another one here. What I did with mine, I have a couple pots back there that has plants that are growing out of vines that are growing out. So there's two pots. There's one there, and then there's another one there. You can't see it because mine just took over. The leaves are just, I have a really true mini food forest, per se. The bees have been very, very helpful this year. Thank you, Jesus. I was afraid that they wouldn't make it out here and help me out with the pollination process because I still do not know how to hand pollinate. After all the videos I've seen, to me it is very difficult to figure out the male flower from the female flowers to do that. So however, I just let nature do what it wanted to do, and mines are just doing fantastic. There's a pot here. I was worried about this one. It made a comeback and there's flowers going, and the bees have been busy today. Well, not today, but they've been very busy lately. So I'm happy with that. Then let's take you over to my tomato plant. I have little tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes. It starts to flower. Then you get the tomatoes. Here's 3 more. And then there's some throughout here. Not very many, but they're doing good. And I have banana peppers. Oh, this is my first time growing, and I'm very happy with the process and the progress. That's one plant there, and there's the second pot. My green onion, not really so good. That's okay. Then here's my corn. Corn, I've been learning from other people that they do require a lot of water. And as you can see, I didn't do a in-ground corn method. I just took a little crate, put some soil in it, and then I used a window frame excuse me, with little sections in it, and then I put my seeds, like 4 to 5 seeds in each section. Then I just kept watering it, and it just got taller and taller and taller, and now we're at the tassel phase. I think that's the name of it. These actually fertilize your corn, and you can see it's windy enough here where I'm at, but they say when it's not windy enough, you'll have to like take your hand and lightly shake it when your corn is coming, just to fertilize. So I didn't even know that you had to fertilize corn, that corn needed to be fertilized. So it's, hey, I'm learning, and it's good. And I'm so happy that they have so many people on YouTube that are willing to educate, and it's free. That's the best price going. Free education. It's the best thing going, right?
Right.
Okay. So now, it won't be long before I start getting some ears of corn. I'll come back and give you an update on that. My cucumbers are doing really well. Excuse me. I'm starting to get cucumbers on my first plant. There's more, but I don't want to bore you too much. I just moved this one. This one was sitting in an area where it wasn't getting enough sun. There's a baby one there. And there's a big one in there, doing a little struggling. And then we have one over here. Let me see if I can pull it up so you can see that. There's a cucumber. And so yeah, I'm doing pretty good. This is my morning glory, and she just decided to go up my garden gates, because this is my own little way of growing, and she'll have blue and white, or purple and white, one of the other two different color flowers on it. But anyway, I appreciate you coming with me on this little garden tour update. Be sure to ask questions, like, share, thumbs up, thumbs down. Remember, eliminate the things that stress you out. Please don't leave no negative comments, because I come back strong and hard too, just like the next man. Trust and believe I will regulate. But I do thank y'all for supporting my channel. If you like it, subscribe. Take care of yourself, and remember, put God first. Bye-bye.